Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've opened Word, now prepare so you avoid rework. First, pick blank or a template that matches your purpose, because templates set margins and styles for you. Once done, set your default font and size so every new document looks consistent, and choose a save location on your laptop or OneDrive. Make sure auto-save is enabled or set save interval to 1 to 5 minutes to prevent data loss. This simple prep speeds every later step. You now build the document structure using styles and layout. Apply heading 1/2 for sections so navigation and table of contents work automatically. This reduces manual formatting. Next, adjust page layout, margins, orientation, and columns because layout affects readability and print output. Insert images and tables, then set wrap text and captions so visuals don't break paragraphs. Once these elements are placed, use the ruler. You're at the finish line. Proof and package the file for others. Run spelling and grammar, then read aloud to catch rhythm and awkward sentences. These steps fix errors you might miss. Save the master as docx and export a PDF for distribution, and use OneDrive or attach to share with collaborators so versioning stays intact. If something goes wrong, like odd spacing or broken styles, clear direct formatting or paste content as plain text, then reapply styles. That usually restores consistent formatting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.